Hi, I'm Jamie Hine from VITEC, and I'm here to show our Avedia server, single platform, multiple applications, showing how we make simple workflows, operators, simplicity, flexibility and scalability, and driving multiple types of screens for many different vertical markets. So from corporate to government, enterprise, defense, hospitality and health, we have everything covered. So here behind me you can see the Avedia platform with simple drag and drop control. We have a system on chip digital signage screen which we can very simply change at the touch of a button. This can be used in many different places, whether it be a cafe, lobby area, receptions, and we'll look at some other screens just now so that we can show how those work in other places as well. We looked at digital signage just before. Here on my right you'll see we have a smart TV, often used within hospitality, so guest bedrooms, but also in health for patient entertainment, so that everybody has customized content, unique experiences, and also ability to share their own content from their devices via our built-in Google Cast. Via the platform, we also have the ability to drive large LEDs via our VITEC VSN video wall controller. So that could be a security operations center, network operations center, or perhaps just large welcoming signage within a lobby area. So you'll see behind me here we have the ability to have one image, multiple images, live video, and other content all displayed and simply controlled from the central platform. Our video wall controllers also have the capability to drive multiple screens in multiple different layouts. So for engaging different types of signage, video content, we can also split that across different configurations to truly engage the people who are coming through your venues. So to summarize again, a VITEC single platform with multiple applications, driving multiple different types of endpoints from that single server. Powerful, scalable, and flexible, but also simple.